This video will demonstrate how to carry out a search using Sage Journals. Sage Journals allows you to search and explore a wide portfolio of quality peer-reviewed journal articles from many different disciplines, including education, health, social sciences, humanities, life and biomedical sciences. This is the Sage Journals homepage. It provides a simple search bar similar to Google and other search engines. In order to create a more organized and controlled search, click on the Advanced Search option below the main search engine on this page. On the subsequent page, you will find the Advanced Search interface. In this search, I am looking for articles on mental health service provision for looked after children. I type looked after children in the first box and place it in quotation marks so that the search engine looks for it as a complete phrase and not as individual words. To ensure I do not miss any relevant articles, I also type children in care, another term for looked after children. By separating the key phrases using OR, the database will retrieve results featuring either key phrase. This produces over 2,000 results, which is far too many for me to look through, and many of the results are not relevant to my research area. I need to refine the search, which can be achieved by selecting Edit Search. This will take me back to the Advanced Search interface. Here I can add an additional word or phrase. I have added mental health as a phrase. If you want to add an additional word or phrase, you need to select the plus icon to add a search box, which will add it below the box you have currently selected. I can now add one further keyword, services. This has now reduced the search results and increased the relevancy of the results, making for a better search. You can filter the results by selecting type of source you want, or you can select a date range by using the date range slider or typing in a date range. Applying two filters, article type and date range, has reduced the number of results further and means the information will be more current and up to date. To read the abstract, select the Preview Abstract option. This will expand the abstract. If you think the result may be relevant after reading the abstract, select PDF or EPUB option to read and download the full article. For more help and information, please contact the library or visit the library homepage.